pour salt water in it and a spirit lamp to boil the salt water and a condensation chamber which is relatively with cold water so that water vapor can cool down and some silicone pipe so that water vapor can pass through. Okay, let's start the experiment. I have added salt water in the container. With the help of the spirit lamp, I will provide heat to the container. On getting heat, the water will start getting boiled and water vapor will pass out of the container. This process is called evaporation and the water vapor will pass through the silicone pipes and go to the next chamber which is called condensation chamber, which is relatively with cold water so that water vapor can cool down and it will form into liquid. It will go through the pipes and get collected in a next beaker. Like that, all the salt from the first container will get evaporated and get condensed and go to the next beaker. All the salt will be remain in the first container. This way, we can separate salt and sweet water from salty water. Do you know this entire process of evaporation of liquid with condensation of vapor is called distillation. In this process, we can separate salt and sweet water from salty water. This entire process of evaporation of liquid with condensation of vapor is called distillation. With this process, we can separate salt and sweet water from salty water. Do you know, ma'am, water pollution is one of the reasons of global warming in Earth. Now these industry factories are emitting lots of bad water. So they are using this process so that we can get sweet water from impure sweet water. So now this is the sweet water. Thank you.